Hi, my name is Dave Ragsdale. I am a Master Plumber and HVAC Technical Specialist here at Revision Energy. And I'm here to talk to you today about the Flair Puck Pro. Flair is an innovative company. They've been great to work with, and they've provided us with top-notch support. Flair Puck Pro has provided us with a great solution to offer our customers. We can give them an app-based control interface. It also provides a traditional thermostat functionality, like a wall-based thermostat that we're all used to. And it also provides us with some voice activation if you can use it in conjunction with Alexa or Google. Installing the Flair Puck has been very easy. It doesn't require many tools, and the integration with the ductless equipment is pretty seamless. It doesn't take a lot of time, and so we're able to get our customers up and running with this solution pretty quickly. I could say, as a plumbing and heating technician with 25 plus years experience in the field, a lot of that with controls, I found that the app especially has been very easy to work with and to navigate through. That's a big plus. A lot of applications in this field can be clunky and difficult to use, but I found this to be very streamlined and pretty simple to interface with. One of the great features of the Flair Puck Pro is right out of the box we can integrate a ductless mini split system with an existing heating system, so you can stage your heating very seamlessly using this equipment. That's a big plus, especially where there's rebates involved that require that kind of staging. So we recognize that every customer is different, has different requirements and for different rooms often. And so the Puck allows us to zone different rooms and have different scheduling capabilities for those rooms. The Puck Pro has a feature that allows us to actually access information about the system at the customer's request, so we can actually look at information, service information, issues that might be coming up, and with the system itself, not just the Puck Pro, but with the actual equipment. So we can do some diagnostic work before we ever show up on the customer's doorstep, sometimes avoiding an expensive service call. Flair as a company has been great at taking our feedback and our suggestions and working with us to help improve the product. They've been very good about offering on-site and virtual training opportunities for us so we can get on board with the equipment very quickly.